PC Electronics. In today's video, we are going to see some of the very latest fresher recruitment updates and internship updates. We'll be seeing some coding related job and non-coding related jobs. Also, we'll be seeing some internships also. So if you are interested, please to watch this video till the end. Also, if you are seeing the channel for the first time, please make sure you subscribe to the channel and follow us on our Instagram page. I'll try to give you the details about the job description, the selection process and the salary details. So let's have a look on the recruitment updates one by one. The first recruitment update is from Capgemini. They are hiring for Finance and Accounting Associate. It is a fresher job itself. 0 to 1 year of experience is the requirement. Trichy is the location. Okay. Currently, it will be work from home only. So this is a job in which you will be mainly dealing with account transactions, payments, credit card payment, accounting system, month end, closing, tally. So that is the nature of job. Accounting related transactions or that is the technologies will be the area of job. Let's have a look on what is the preferred skills. BCom, BBA or equivalent commerce graduate they are looking for. This is a non-coding job. So people who are not from the coding background, all the candidates can apply here. Good communication skills you should be having, Excel knowledge you should be having. Okay. So that is the primary skill requirement. Actually, any graduate can try for this because they have just mentioned it is preferred skills. Okay. So no experience requirement. Also, any year of pass out can apply. Okay, any BCom graduate or any BBA graduate or MBA graduate, anybody can apply here. Year of pass out doesn't matter. So if you are interested, just click on this apply now icon. The salary you can expect about 30,000 minimum. Okay. The next one is a recruitment update from Raytheon. So this company is mainly an electronics related company itself. This company is manufacturing commercial electronics, weapons, military goods, etc. Mostly they are concentrating on the electronics components manufacturing. So they are hiring for graduate engineer trainee. Bengaluru, Karnataka is a location. Also, they have said about the primary responsibilities here. So mainly you will be working on the embedded area. So development of embedded software, working on MATLAB, Sibling, that is the job. Okay. So this is a perfect job opportunity for any electronics, electrical, or for that matter, computer science graduate. Okay. So they are looking for students who is pursuing graduation or post-graduation in a degree with electronics, electrical or computer science background. They are not mentioning as BTech specifically. So BSc candidates can also apply here. Okay, BSc, MSc electronics or electrical candidates can also apply here. Just a degree they are asking for. Okay. So all the students are open to apply for this graduate engineer trainee post. Okay. So if you are interested, just click on this apply icon. Minimum you can expect a salary about 25,000 here. The next one is actually an internship opportunity, which is from Digital India program. That is Digital India Internship Program. So we know that as a part of Digital India mission, a lot of things are made as digital and the IT industry is growing in the ministry also. Okay. So the ministry IT wing is calling for intern and you can work with the ministry's IT wing. You can work for the development of technologies, their tools there. So you will be mainly working in the Ministry of IT department to make the technologies and functioning better. Okay, so this is a minimum 6 months experience and you will get a valid certificate also after completion of this internship and you can put that in your CV as a experience. Okay, so if you're not doing anything, you can definitely apply here. They have not asked for any specific streams of education or graduation. So anybody or any graduate can apply here. There is actually a different guys, we know that January 24th is being celebrated as World Education Day. So it is the day celebrated to promote every individual's right to education. So Internshala Trainings is organizing a campaign which is called Karo Sid Aage Badhne Ki. So this is a campaign which is used to motivate all youngsters to never give up and always chase your dreams. We know that we have to chase our dreams with proper skills, and when coming to our skills, Internshala trainings plays a vital role in promoting or in bringing up all the proper skills, which can be in the category of technology or in arts or in science or in language sector. So they are actually organizing, that is Internshala trainings is organizing a campaign, Karo Zid Aage Badhne Ki. This is going to be a completely free of cost event and it is going to be an awesome event. Here you can witness a lot of things. You will get a chance to meet an icon, which is Padmasri H.C. Verma. He is a person who has proved in the field of experimental physics. He is an experimental physicist, and you will also witness live concert by Rahul Ram from Ocean Band. Apart from this, there will be 6 back-to-back live sessions, also counseling sessions. The live sessions or the practical sessions will be in the areas of digital marketing, Python, business communication, also in the fields of video editing, business analysis, and SolidWorks. So you will be having a doubt that how should I ensure that I don't miss out the sessions, right? So you can click on this register now icon to ensure that you not miss out any sessions. Also, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel of Internshala trainings. Also, the link of the YouTube channel I'll be putting in description. You can subscribe to them and you can make sure that you don't miss out any events. Okay. So this is going to be completely free of cost. You don't have to pay any money. You don't have to travel. You can attend this event on January 24th from your home itself. It is going to be completely virtual and it is completely free of cost. Now, along with that, don't forget to check out Internshala training site. You can get a lot of trainings here that can be in the fields of programming or business management or core engineering or in the fields of data science, design, creative arts, language, etc. So in order to register or in order to participate in these trainings or in order to do these trainings, just click on these know more and then see a page like this and you can sign up here and you can do the training. Okay, so this is going to be completely virtual trainings. All the trainings are completely virtual, so there is a lot of benefits here. You can learn from home. You will get a certificate, valid industry valid certificate you will be getting. All the programs are beginner friendly. You will get placement assistance and 1:1 doubt solving, and as I said, it is completely online, so you don't have to travel. You don't have to bother about traveling or anything. Just from your home itself you can attend these trainings. Okay, so don't forget to check out the trainings also in the Internshala trainings website. Also, please attend the event on January 24th. Okay, so I'll be putting both the links in description, the link for the event and also for Internshala trainings. Okay, so please do check out both the links in description. Different categories in which internships is available: front-end development, back-end development, UI UX designing, graphic designing, product management, database management, blockchain, iOS development, etc. Okay, so here not just graduate or postgraduate, even if you are having diploma qualification, you can definitely apply. Okay, they have not asked for any graduate or anything, so just fill up these details and upload your profile. Okay, so that is the internship update from Digital India Internship Program. The next one is a recruitment update from Small Case. So Small Case is a company which is developing products and technology platform for Indian capital markets. Okay, so this company is actually developing tools and technologies for capital market development. They are calling for product analyst intern. Bengaluru is a location. This is an internship opportunity for 6 months. So if you are available for completely 6 months, you can join this. You can also expect a stipend above 15K or 20K. And also after completing the internship, you will be gradually absorbed to the company. Okay. So here, this is again a non-coding related job itself. They are not asking for any specific coding knowledge or anything. Any graduate with any year of pass out can apply here. Okay. The next one is a recruitment update from Merit. Merit is again an IT company. They are calling for financial research intern. So this is again a non-coding job itself. Mumbai is a location. Totally 10 vacancies is there. And the skills they are asking is bachelor or master degree in finance, accounting or management. Also MBA graduates. Okay, so all the people with non-coding backgrounds can apply here, and freshers to 5 years of experience can apply. Okay, so all the freshers and 5-year experience, up to 5 years of experience, you can apply here. Just fill up this application form, name, email ID, and also you have to upload your CV here. Okay, so this is the recruitment update from Merit. It is again an IT company itself. Next one is a recruitment update from Quest Global. So recently also one of our subscribers got selected in Quest. Again, there is another recruitment update from Quest. They are calling for stress engineer, and this is a recruitment update for people with BTech or BS in aeronautical engineering. Okay, aeronautical engineering, if you are having that background with BTech or Bachelor of Science and 0+ experience, you can apply. any year of pass out. If you are a aeronautical graduate with any year of pass out, you can apply here. And this is a fresher job itself. Okay. The role is stress engineer. So you will be mainly handling all the aeronautical related jobs here. Perform fatigue and DT analysis of aerostructural components. Technical communication with internal and external stakeholders. Take ownership of assigned jobs and delivery on time is the roles and responsibilities. Okay. So if you are having these skills, you can definitely apply. Also, any fresher can apply here. Okay. So that's all for today's video. We have seen a lot of recruitment updates in this video, and we have seen a lot of internship updates also. So I've tried to bring a maximum non-coding jobs and also coding related jobs. So if you are interested in any of this, please check out the link which I'll be putting in description, and please do apply for it accordingly. Okay. So if you found the video useful, please do like the video, share the videos with your friends also, and tell them to subscribe. Also, don't forget to follow on the Telegram channel. I post daily recruitment updates there. So quickly, whenever I getting an update, I post there. So you can fastly you can get the update if you follow on the Telegram channel. So that's it. Thanks for watching and keep on watching.